So let me make sure that you understand this tense clearly. So are we talking about the future here? No. Okay. How about the present? No. Okay. How about the past? Yes. Very good. So we're talking about the past, an action that happened in the past and it is over, it is finished. Now I'm going to distribute some exercises on you now, and all you have to do is to change the verb between the brackets from the infinitive form into the right past form. You will find some verbs that need a D and some verbs that need ED. Very good. Now let's try it together. Now every team, you're going to take a picture, you're going to color it, and after that you'll have a verb next to this picture. I want you to make a sentence using this verb in the past simple tense. Let's start. You got only 2 minutes. Now I will let you listen to a song. Who likes songs? That's great. We have a song today, and this song has a lot of verbs in the past simple tense. So you're going to listen to the song and you're going to write down any verbs in the past with D or ED. Remember, if you got a verb in the past using IED or irregular verbs, this is not our point today, okay? So right now we're only focusing on D and ED. Now let's start to play the song, and in your teams, you're going to write down the verbs with D or ED. I know you really like writing, so we're going to write a story, and this story, you're going to end it with this sentence: that was the best day of my life. And I want you to use as many verbs in the past with D or ED as much as you can. You got 5 minutes in your team, you're going to come up with one story, and after that you're going to check other team stories and give them some positive feedback. Another activity that we have for the day is making a presentation or a role play. You can choose in your teams which one would you like to do, and you're going to be talking about one of the situations that changed your life in a positive way. It can be a role play when you interview each other, or it can be a presentation where you're talking about yourself. It is your choice, and I'm going to give you 5 minutes, and after that we're going to come here on stage where you present your role play. You have done an excellent job today. So what we're going to do now is a quick recap, and we're going to do it through an Unchained story game. We're going to stand in a circle, and everyone is going to say 3 sentences of a story in the past, and then he or she will stop and then ask the next person to continue the same story with 2 or 3 sentences using verbs with D or ED in the past. Let's do it together. Yes, everyone, let's get up from our seats and come here. You have done an excellent job. Please go back to your seats. Anybody has any question? That's excellent. Now, what we're going to do now is the time for our assignment. Our assignment for the day, you're going to prepare a mini presentation in 1 or 2 minutes maximum about someone that you really love, or it can be someone who is famous. You're going to talk about their lives, the past, and you're going to be using verbs with D or ED. We're going to do this in the beginning of the coming session. Thank you so much, and see you in the coming class.